space travel is hard, especially if you're a chicken. So to make it more comfortable, they put this little seat belt thing on me. See, it's not that easy to get up and walk around. Also, I can't eat, and if I want to use the bathroom, I have to like really focus and then just go. It's not ideal. But the worst part is definitely when we hit turbulence, because then I get thrown around the spaceship like a rag doll. Oh, and also the chicken. No, it's not safe. Like sometimes I
think about eating the chicken, but then I'm like, no, I can't do that. It's probably like a health code violation or something. So yeah, space travel is not all that it's cracked up to be, especially for a chicken.